Hello everyone. Today my video lecture on the energy correction in a linear harmonic oscillator if perturbed Hamiltonian H dash is equal to half Bx. That means the perturbed potential energy is a function of x and B is a constant. Now consider the nth state. So after perturbation, the Hamiltonian of the system is H is equal to H naught plus H dash, where H naught is the unperturbed Hamiltonian, but H dash is the perturbed Hamiltonian, that is half Bx. So use the formula of first order energy correction by perturbation. En dash is equal to bracket notation n h dash n, or this can be also written as integral psi n star h dash psi n d tau. Now put the value of h dash b by 2 nxn. Using the property of harmonic oscillator lowering and raising operator, the displacement x is given by x is equal to 1 upon alpha root 2 a plus a plus, where a is the lowering operator and a plus is the raising operator and alpha is the fine structure constant. Now putting in above equation, you will get b upon alpha root 2 n a plus n. Now separating these two terms, n a n plus n a plus n. Now using the property of a cat n, a cat n becomes root n n minus 1 and a plus n becomes root n plus 1 n plus 1, this thing. So this value becomes a n becomes root n n minus 1, root n n minus 1 and root n plus 1 n n plus 1. This value n n minus 1 is called Kronecker delta n n minus 1. Kronecker delta has property if both indices are different, then their value is 0. If the indices are equal, then their value is 1. Since both indices are different, n and n minus 1, n and n plus 1, so this value is 0. So first order energy correction, if perturbed Hamiltonian h dash is function of x, that means h dash is equal to half bx, is 0. If the first order energy correction is 0, then we move to correct the energy in second order. So use the formula of second order. En double dash summation prime. This sign prime indicate m does not equal to n. मतलब जो आपने सेकंड स्टेट mth कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, nth तो आपकी पहले से ही थी, और अब ब्रैकेट नोटेशन है एन एच डैश एम मॉड स्क्वायर and prime is included in the summation. That means m does not equal to n, because if m is equal to n, then this energy becomes infinite. That is not possible. nh dash m, if we use above formula, nh dash m half bxm, b by 2 nxm. Now put the value of x. Now put the value of x and apply the above property. Then you will get nh dash m. If m is equal to n plus 1, then its value is b by 2 root 2 alpha under root n plus 1. If m is equal to n minus 1, then you will get the value of root n. If any other value except n plus 1 and n minus 1, then you will get the value of 0. In this way, em minus en is equal to h cut omega. If m is equal to n plus 1, if mth state is upper state and nth state is the lower state, then the value is h cut omega. Then you will get en double dash is equal to this value. But if m is equal to n minus 1, m is the n plus 1 and m is the n minus 1, then em minus en is equal to minus h cut omega, and you will get 0 value otherwise. That means m does not equal to n plus 1 and m does not equal to n minus 1. So the total energy after correction n plus half h cut omega, this is an unperturbed energy, and this is a first order energy correction, this is a second order energy correction. Second order energy correction is given by this, and first order energy correction is 0, so you will get this value. This is the complete description of first order energy correction.